The news about Sam Altman and OpenAI has been so crazy over the past couple days that I decided to just let AI tell the story. Here you go.
Hello and welcome back to All Your Tech AI, your trusted source for the latest in AI news and trends. In today's episode, we're delving into a series of surprising developments within OpenAI and beyond. We've got the shocking firing of Sam Altman, Emmett Shear stepping in as the new CEO, and Microsoft's strategic move in hiring Altman. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI insights. Now let's get right into it. On November 17, 2023, the AI world was taken by surprise as Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, was abruptly fired. This move, which left many OpenAI employees blindsided, came after an internal review that questioned Altman's representations to the board. Altman, a key figure in AI, had been instrumental in OpenAI's rise to prominence. His dismissal marks a significant shift in the organization's leadership. This change wasn't without its drama. OpenAI's board, facing internal disagreements and conflicts, made the decision to let Altman go. These disagreements centered around strategic and ethical directions for OpenAI, highlighting the complexities and challenges in governing such a high-profile AI company. Various reports seem to indicate that this decision was made without the knowledge of the board chair and without being cleared with Microsoft. In the hours that followed, there was an outpouring of support for Altman and many inside of both OpenAI and Microsoft calling for the resignation of the entire board. In the wake of this turmoil, on a Sunday night following Altman's firing, OpenAI's board made a decisive move. Just when it appeared that they were going to bring Sam back in as the CEO of OpenAI, they took a hard left and shocked everyone by announcing that they had appointed Emmett Shear, former Twitch boss, as the interim CEO. Shear is known for his successful leadership in tech and brings a new dynamic to OpenAI. His appointment signals a potential new chapter for the company, especially in how it might navigate the evolving landscape of AI technology. Shear also made it clear on X that he wants to pump the brakes on development at OpenAI. Adding to the drama, Microsoft swiftly capitalized on the situation. On November 20th, just hours after Altman's departure, Microsoft announced the hiring of both Sam Altman and Greg Brockman. They were brought on board to lead a new advanced AI research team. This strategic acquisition by Microsoft speaks volumes about their AI ambitions and recognizes the value of Altman's and Brockman's expertise in the field. These developments represent more than just leadership changes. They signify a pivotal moment in the AI industry. With Shear at the helm of OpenAI and Altman joining forces with Microsoft, we're likely to see new strategies and innovations emerge. This is an evolving story, and we'll be here to keep you updated with the latest.
And even after all of that happened, today 504 of the 700 employees of OpenAI signed a petition to have the entire board resign. I think that makes me officially the CEO of OpenAI. So with that said, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other crazy news. Thanks.